Monde kire bunge ya Senate rwaria rwa kubunja kaunti ya Meru ni ontu wonekanite gukushiria muge mwanya mwanya ni ore gavana Kawira akinyite bungeni ino makiaria mamuma abunge mabunge ino maugite kubunjwa kwa thirikari ya Meru tindawa igatethereria kuthiria thina iria iribo Morgan Mwiti ena rugono ruru.
Akari kenda ba Meru ibandikirite Senate bakienda kaunti iwe bunjo nyuma ya mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru kuengatanga gavana Kawira Mwangaza.
Naomba Senate mama aende, na kama mama hataenda Meru konte yote ibunjo.
Mama na nena kinya MCA bonde baane nonto bonde ivaire antoba mabatora kuimpisi yake atika to abadura manto ya kuimpisi to abadura kenda batoritira ngwe na ibonere ngwe igori aba ipise to kila gavana aende mama aende baende bo county Meru yonde bati kuvunjwa mbunge
nande bamwe ba maseneta ni baritete mauge jao kiri gikaro kya Naro muthenya uringana na seneta wa county ya Vihiga Godfrey Osotsi ni ati kaunti ya Meru ni batere kutharua.
My view would be, Mr. Speaker, that there may be instances where we need to look at the provisions of Article 192 of the Constitution. Whether to suspend this county and we send everyone home or not. And that can be dealt effectively in a committee, in a report, which can now be sent to the President for action as per the provisions of Article 192.
Untububu ni bureganito nabu ni seneta wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga James Kamau Murango.
Mstahiki Speaker, pia ningependa pia kutoa kauli kulingana na mapendekezo za seneta wa Vihiga Osotsi kwamba tunafaa kuangalia kama tunaweza vunja kaunti nzima. Ningetaka kumwambia kwamba panya akiingia kwa gala uchomi gala unatoa panya. Kwa hivyo Mstahiki Speaker, mimi naunga mkono tuvalie njuga swala hili mpaka mwisho.
Nawe seneta wa Nandi Samson Cherargei awite kagitene gaka Meru etiomba kubunjwa nonto gutina nkiame ithurano na mianka ire nionjene kuringithia kura Kenya.
I agree, Mr. Speaker, the issues of Meru are very unique, complex and diverse, Mr. Speaker. We cannot new law under Article 192 on suspension of county of Meru. Meru is working. Some parts of Meru are not working, Mr. Speaker. And I want to remind the deputy party leader of ODM, and I want to advise the Secretary General of ODM to organize an induction at Kenya School of Government, the way Akinajo and the rest have been done for the last 2 weeks, so that he understands, Mr. Speaker, we don't have a functional IEBC at the moment, Mr. Speaker. The NADCO report, the amendments of IEBC, we are still considering, Mr. Speaker. So the suspension under Article 192, we should not envisage, because we have opportunity to listen, Mr. Speaker, to be able to ventilate through and be able to have a chance.
Kuringana na gichunje gya katiba kiagana rimwe ria 90 na kyabire county yomba kubunjwa ki kwina ndoa na riria ngugi yare mogwiteka. Morgan Mwiti, Weru TV, Meru.